Okay. Good morning once again, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed exercise 13.1, question number 7. After that, the next topic is surface area of a right circular cylinder. In the last class also we have discussed, that is class 8, what is a right circular cylinder. You all must be remembering. Yes, class, any idea what is a right circular cylinder? If it is standing straight, then it is a right circular cylinder. Let me see, the shape is there. I think shape is not there. So this is your right circular cylinder. Here right means the height is perpendicular properly like this. So this is your height in this case. It is standing straight. This is a right circular cylinder. The radius is r and height is h. Now again, in the last class we have discussed in class 8 how to understand a cylinder. We understood it by which analogy, class? What analogy we used in the last class to understand a cylinder? Yes, we understood it by a stack of coins similar to the last one, that is that one. Or do you say? In the cuboid we have seen a stack of A4 sheets. A stack of A4 sheets was making it a cuboid. Similarly, I think I missed, after discussing cuboid, I missed cube. Yes, class? Although we all know the formulas of cube, but I think I missed that, na? Okay. Just for a while, I will tell you about cube. Then we will start this. Let us take this only. One second. Let me give you the formulas of cube first. Although we all know the formulas of cube. One second. Yes, it is very easy. It is a special case of this. What do you say? Cuboid only. Just the pen. Just the issue. Not getting selected. One second, please. Eraser is not removed. Oh, wait, now it is done. So we have cube. In a cube, the difference from cuboid is here the faces are all squares. In cuboid, we had rectangles. Here we have all faces as squares. So we will just try to see how it is a special case. We can say here the length is a units, the breadth is a units, and the height is also a units. Suppose you know the formulas of cuboid, you can easily find the formulas of cube from that. So we have seen the lateral surface area of a cuboid is very simple. Perimeter of rectangle, that is 2l plus b into h. This was the lateral surface area of a, yes, cuboid. Now we have the values of L, B and H. They all are equal. Let us put their value. What will happen? So we have 2h L plus B as the formula. Put A, we will get 2a into 2a, that is 4a square. So by knowing the formulas of cuboid, you can easily find the formulas of special case, that is cube. Or if you want to find by analogy of your home or your office, whatever, wherever you are, you can see there are 4 walls, all have dimensions a and a. So a square of this face, back one and front one. So again it is a 4 walls having a square. So 4a square is the answer of lateral surface area. Similarly, we have seen LSA of cuboid was twice LB plus BH plus HL. This time also we know they all are equal. Just put it equal to A. You will get twice A square plus A square plus A square. Simple, because A into A is A square. Now we all know these three are like terms. They can be added. It becomes 3A square, and finally it becomes 6A square. Sorry. Thank you, Vaishnav. It is total surface area. So total surface area is lateral plus top and bottom. So we have got this thing. So this way we can understand the cube. I guess it is clear to everyone. Please confirm. I guess it is clear to everyone. Okay. Now let us see the cylinder again. Ojaswini Rajor coming at 8:12. Okay. Okay, Ananya. Let us start the cylinder. Right. Circular cylinder. I have told you the diagram is very important in this chapter. The second problem that you will face in this chapter is calculation. The way I am going to calculate the things is an experience that I have got. Okay, so you have to use this experience. Yes, Rudra, correct, beta. It is not LSA, Rudra. It is CSA in the case of cylinder. So the experience that I am having with the calculations, try to use that experience and it will make it very easy for you to solve these questions. Else, you will find very difficult to solve these questions. The calculation is very tough in these chapters. Now, we have the radius of cylinder as R, the height as H, and let us try to understand by a coin also. If the bottommost coin we are having and we want to understand the curved surface area, what should we consider of that coin? Class, try to see. If you want to see the, what you say, curved surface area of the cylinder, what quantity of coin you should see for that? You should see the outer area. Yes, Vaishnav, try to see the coin outside. I don't have a coin over here. Any circle thing? Yes, I'm having. One second. No? Please hold. Okay. So we have got a cylinder in front of us. This is a cylinder. You can see this is the top surface, a circle, bottom surface, a circle. So if I take this as a coin, what will happen? To see the curved surface, if I have a color, I have to color this surface only. This is the curved surface. So if this is a coin and you see only the outer portion of coin is coming in the picture of curved surface area. So we have 2 pi r curved surface of a perimeter of a circle plus this is 2 pi r and we have a height of h. So we have many coins of 2 pi r, but you say perimeter. So 2 pi r, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, h times. It becomes 2 pi r into h. So by that we have got the curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Try to understand the curved surface and the lateral surface are similar things. The difference is we use curved surface areas for the curved surfaces like cylinder, like sphere, and for this cuboid, cubes we call it lateral surface. The thing is correct, the thing is same. Okay. Second thing is total surface area. Class, try to understand. In this stack only, we have got the curved surface area as 2 pi RH. If you see, this time when you paint, you have to paint this also, the top and the bottom. But it is getting painted completely. This time we are not painting the perimeter only. This time we are painting the complete surface. Try to understand. This is what do we find for this? We will see area of this circle as well as area of this circle, because while we are painting this cylinder, it is getting painted completely. So this is the thing. So we have TSA is equal to CSA plus pi r square of the top one plus pi r square. Now I have always told you, before putting the values, always try to make the formula compact by taking common whatever possible. So let us write the things. 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi r square. Now first we can add these two. They will become 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Now what is common in both of them is 2 pi and r. So let us take 2 pi r common and the written thing is h plus r. So with this, we have made the formula compact, and now it will be easy for us to solve it only one time. So two circles into one rectangle area. Hmm. Hmm. Garima, I'm not getting this. Why you are saying two circles in one rectangle area? But actually, only the top area is required and the bottom area is required, because in total surface we take top and bottom, and we have a curved surface area. The curved surface area is 2 pi rh. So what we have done is 2 pi rh plus pi r square plus pi r square. That's it. Garima, why are you bringing rectangle? Sir, if we take CSA of rectangle, okay, that way you are saying. If you take analogy, we have studied in class 8th also. If I cut this like this and if I open, actually it open like a that rectangle only. So by that analogy you can go, but let it be simple only like this, है ना? Don't confuse yourself with rectangle thing. Okay. Now I think these two formulas are required in this class, in this exercise. The volume thing will come later on. Okay. Although we have done volume also. If I say what is the volume of this one class, tell me. Volume means if I take the coin in the stack, what thing of that coin is being used? Please tell. If I take the coin, what are we using of that coin for volume thing? Volume means the content. We know volume means the content of this thing. So each coin's area is being used. If you see, each coin's area is being used. So pi r square, area of first coin, pi r square, second coin, third coin, fourth coin, fifth coin till h coins, and it becomes pi r square h. So the volume is pi r square h. That is the volume. Yes, Anuranjan, good beta. Now let us see the questions of this exercise. Again, I know most of the questions you can try on your own. You will not find any issue, but I will do the question that will have issue for you. Question number one is simple. Question number, okay, remember the diameter you have to make it half always. Okay, okay. Let us do question number three together. Okay, because in question number three you will find some issues. Question number 3 of 13.2. Question number 3 is saying a metal pipe. So class, we all have seen a metal pipe which is used in our homes for this water work. We have seen nowadays we are using plastic pipes, but before we had this metal pipes. It is 77 centimeter long. Let us make it. So there is one formula of CSA with base or top. You can make it very easily. If base is required, plus pi r square only. Don't add 2 pi r square. That is not a formula. That is your calculation, your understanding that you have to remove one area. That's it. Okay. Now we know a pipe has some sort of width also, some sort of thickness also. This is a pipe, a hollow pipe. Diagram is a must in these questions. Without diagram, if you do the question, it will be very tough for you to understand what is happening. Okay, so this is the diagram in front of us of a hollow pipe. Now what it is saying is, okay class, do you remember in the last class we have discussed how many surfaces are there? Can you tell me how many surfaces are there in this hollow pipe in front of you? Can you tell me how many surfaces are there in this hollow pipe? Jasnoor is saying 3. Okay, others try. Ishad is saying 3. Bhuvanjot saying 4. Rudra saying 5. Ananya saying 4. Good. Okay. Okay. Try to see how many surfaces. Piyush, very good. Anuranjan, good beta. Try to see. Try to understand this thing. Just think of one thing. Bhavya, Arshia, you are correct. Just try to think of one thing. If you have a color, what you say with you, how many surfaces you can color? That will give you the answer. How many surfaces are there in this hollow pipe? Moksh Tushir saying one. No beta. How one? वन तो बेटा आपके सॉलिड सिलेंडर में नहीं होती, ये तो हॉलो सिलेंडर है. तेगवीर गुड, उत्कर्ष गुड. Okay, let us try to understand this. Okay. So this is the case. This is a rectangular sheet. I have made it a, yes, Rudra. Inner, bottom, top rim, bottom rim, inside. Inner, bottom. But at the bottom you have taken already. Then why you are taking it again? Once you have taken it. This is a cylinder class. See, this is a cylinder. Outer surface first. Inner surface, the complete inner surface, second surface. Third surface is this, because we are not neglecting the thickness. This thickness I am considering. So this is the third surface. This is the fourth surface. That's it. There are four surfaces in a hollow cylinder, and there are three surfaces in a solid cylinder. See, first surface is the curved one, second surface, third surface. Moksh, I guess now you understood this thing. How many surfaces are there? And Rudra, you have taken two bottoms. That is why you got 5. Okay. So answer is 4 surfaces are there. Now, what is the question? Let us see. The question is, a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. So we have the H with us. H is equal to 77 centimeter. The diagram is not correct. When you make it in your copy, try to make it straight. Okay. It is a right servo cylinder. Now, the inner diameter. The inner diameter, sir, I am taking a glass. Okay, that is why. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. The inner diameter, class, if inner diameter is, what do you say, 4, what is the inner radius, class? Please tell. I am calling it R in. Okay, R in. So R in is given to us as 2 centimeter. What is R out? What is R out? It is given to us that the diameter of outer one is 4.4. It is 4.4. No, Ranjan, please take care. 4.4 upon 2 will give you 2.2. So it is 2.2 centimeter. I am not writing the diameter over here because diameter will confuse me. It is always better to write those things which are required by you. Okay. So they have given us diameter. I have written the radius because I require the radius only. Yes, CSA of both radius. Okay. Now we have to understand what they are asking. Okay, class, one more thing. If you want, you can take the symbols as small r for inside and capital R for outside. It depends on you which kind of symbols you like. Okay, there is no hard and fast rule, but your symbol should be distinguishable. I have taken R in, R out. You can take small r, capital R. You can take small r1, small r2, but you don't have to confuse. And also, while writing the formula, you have to take this thing in mind that your formula must contain your variable. Okay, let us start. First, we have to find the inner curved surface area. Please tell me what is the formula? Inner curved surface area. For the inner curved surface area, we will take the inner radius. Tell me, what is the formula? Yes, the formula is 2 pi RH. It is correct. But in my case, I have taken RS. I have taken RS R in. I should write in my formula also that thing because that will reduce the confusion. So 2 pi R in H. What do you say, class? Will that be good if we write like this? Will that be good if I write the symbol that I have taken in the formula also? That will reduce a lot of confusion. Okay, so let us put the values. 2 into pi. What is the value of that? R. Okay, let us put all the values. 22 by 7. R in is 2 into H is 77. So we can see easily it is cutting. Then you can cut it. If it was not cutting, leave it as it is. Okay, don't go for decimals. I have told you, try to prevent that decimal situation. So what we have got, now see how to multiply in a better way. 2 to the 4. So whatever we can do in our mind, we should do, and the least thing we should do on the rough side. See how 2 to the 4 and 422 is how much? Plus 422 is 88. So we know it is 88 into 11. Now multiplying anything with 11 is very easy. We know we will get 88, 88. Class, do you understand this thing? Multiplying anything with 11 is very easy. I will get 88 in the first, but you say row, and second row I will get 88 just shifted to one place like this. And now if you add it, you will get the answer as 8, 16, 9. So multiplying with 11 is very easy. Multiplying with 22 is very easy. 33 is very easy. So always store these numbers for the end. Try to store these numbers for the end because you will multiply very easily with these kind of numbers. Okay. So first of the tricks, now we have got the answer as 968 centimeter square. Similarly, we will find the outer curved surface area. Let us try to find that. Let us try to find the second part. Second part is saying find the outer CSA. Very easy. This time we will write the formula as 2 pi r out h. Sorry, r square is not there. 2 pi rh. Now 2 into 22 by 7, r out is how much? 2.2. Yes class, I can write it like this. Into h is 77. Any problem? What I have done is I have removed the decimal. I have brought the 10 in the denominator. Okay, because I will not deal with decimals to reduce the confusion. 7 1 the. Now we have to see what is the answer. First of all, the most easiest thing to multiply is, you can go for anyone. This is very easy. 2 to the 44, 44 to 22. Let us see. Class, if you multiply these two, what will you get? 88, 88. I think this only you will get. Please tell. 2 4 8, 2 4 8, 2 4 8, 2 4 8. Yes, I guess this only you will get. So when you add this, you will get 8, 16, 9. Now you have 11. Again, you know how to multiply with 11. Same number will come, but this time it will shift by one place. As we do multiplication, we will get 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 9 plus 10, then 16 and 10. So this way we can reduce the calculation. Now we have got 10648 upon 10. So I have told you not to touch this 10. If you want, you can cut this and put a decimal. That's it. Not more than that. Don't try to cut by 2. 2 5s are 10, then 2. That will not help you. Okay. 1064.8 centimeter square is the outer curved surface area. Now what they are asking is the total surface area. If we just add this inner and outer, will we get the answer? Please tell. For the total surface area, if I just add the inner and the outer, will I get the answer? Please tell. Good, Ananya, Anuranjan, Utkarsh. We will not get the answer because just now I have told you, in my case, I am not neglecting. We are not neglecting what? We are considering the thickness. Plus, we are considering the thickness. It is not negligible. It is visible to our eyes. That is why we can't neglect it. So we have to take that also. So you will write TSA is equal to inner CSA plus outer CSA plus what? Twice area of circle, or you can say plus area of what you ring. Let me call it ring. Normally it makes a surface like a ring. This kind of surface is formed on the top. If you observe, it is like a ring in which we have R in and we have R out. Class, we can call this a ring in which we have R in, R out. Please tell me, how can we find the area of ring? Area of circle we know is pi r square. How to find area of ring? Yes, area of bigger circle, that is pi r out square minus pi r in square. That way we can find. That is equal to, we have found inner is 968, outer we have found is 1064.8 plus we have to find 2 into pi r out square minus pi r in square. Yes class, any doubts in this thing what I have done? Any doubts in this formula that I have written? I have multiplied by 2 because I have top as well as bottom. Now, before putting the values, I will see that I have a pi over here, pi over here. So I will take it. Yes, class, I will take it common because taking common will reduce the work. So let us take it common. It will become 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2 into 22 by 7. Inside we have r out square minus r in square. Now just put the values. This all will be same. Here we will have r out is 2.2 square. Na? So 2.2 square minus 2 square. This you can solve and get the answer. So we could find TSA with formula. No Vaishnav, you can't find with the formula because your formula takes complete top and complete bottom. Your formula that you have studied is taking complete top and complete bottom, so that will not help. I guess I'm clear. In your case, this surface is cut. It is out. It is a hollow pipe in your case. Okay. For hollow pipe or hollow cylinder, the formulas are different. Vaishnav, now it is clear. Please confirm. Vaishnav, is it clear, beta? Okay, let us stop the recording now. Sir, could we subtract the hollow area from TSA? Yes, you can do that. No, that will not help. That subtracting thing will help you in the volume portion. Vaishnav, try to understand that inside portion, that air inside is a content of volume. Volume is the inner thing. Outer thing is only paint one, where you paint, where you are painting. That is what you are keeping inside. The thing you are saying will help you in volume, not in area. Okay. Okay. Now let me stop this.